Hi everyone, it's Miss Welch. I'm going to be your third grade teacher, and a little bit of a homework assignment this weekend for you and your family. Hopefully you got your Google Chromebook from school, or you had one already at home that you've kept now, so you're prepared for this third grade school year. I want everyone to try to practice logging on to Google Classroom and joining a video chat. Now, please remember, if your student is not in school for the day, that means that they are learning from home that day. So they'll have to join virtually using a video chat. And I'm going to teach everyone how to do that, because no matter if you're in cohort A, cohort B, or 100% virtual learner, you will need to, at some point or every single day, depending on what group you're in, log on virtually so you can see me as I'm teaching live. Okay, so you're going to start by typing in your email. Now, my email is a little bit different than yours, but remember, your email is going to be your first name dot last name 30 at wyndham.k12.ct.us. So it might be, I know we have, let's just say it would be ashley.welch30 at wyndham.k12.ct.us. First name dot last name 30, and then wyndham.k12.ct.us. Okay, I got to put my teacher one in, so don't mind me for a second. Now you're going to have to enter your password. Your password is your 6-digit lunch number, so you'll type it in here and hit next. Okay, and your screen's going to load like this. Now you'll see that I have language arts, math, science, and my homeroom page. That's because this is my teacher view. You guys will also have language arts, math, science, but you'll also see pages including art, library, and technology. So for us to practice and for you to practice at home, I want you to click on the language arts. So that means if we have a reading or writing activity, we'd go into here to access our video chat and our work. So you'll notice here it says Meet link. And right here, you're going to be able to click right on this link with a little video camera. And if you click on the link, it's going to come to a Google Meet page. And here's where you're going to see that it's going to get ready. Okay. My camera is off right now because, oh, maybe it's going to be started. Once you're all ready to go, you'll hit join now, okay? So when you are ready, you'd click join now, and you would go into the virtual chat. It will look like this. That won't pop up for you. That was just my teacher one. Okay. And it's going to look like this down here. All right, it will tell you how many people are in the chat. Here, oh, there I am. So this is where you would see yourself, and because that's only me just showing a model of it, you'll just see yourself as well. But when you're actually virtually meeting, there'll be all the other virtual learners there too as little pictures that you'll be able to see of your classmates that are virtual. You won't be able to see the kids that are actually in class for the day, but you'll be able to hear them when we're talking. So down here is a microphone. Now I am going to ask, when we actually have our virtual meetings online, that to start, you mute the mic by clicking on it. This is just in case I have something important to share first, or it might be hard to hear 15 or 10 different kids talking all at once saying, hi, good morning. It could cause a lot of feedback. So everyone should practice by muting their mic. And then if you say in actual class when we're actually using the Google Meet, you might raise your hand. You can unmute and say, oh, it's John. I have a question, Miss Welch. So this is how you turn it on and off your microphone. Okay. And when you're done with the call, all you'll have to do is hit the end button. So that's what I want you to practice this weekend. It's just signing on to Google Classroom, finding the language arts page, clicking on the Google Meet link in the blue top bar, and then getting into a Google Meet. Now you'll notice, like I said, no one else will be on, so when you're done, when you're in, you've practiced, you might do it a couple of times, then you just end the call, and it'll say that you left the meeting. Hopefully everyone can do this to practice, and do not worry, we'll practice this over and over again, but I think it's very important for families to practice this with their student and with this video to kind of help you start getting into the groove of using Google Classrooms. Thanks so much.